Hi guys, in this one I'm going to go over super archers for Town Hall level 12. So super archer attacks at Town Hall level 12 are pretty similar to how they were at Town Hall level 11. However, at this point, because the Town Hall can now fight back, it starts to get a little bit more inconsistent. So it's a good one to learn, but there are definitely going to be better options out there for smash attacks moving forward. So let's go ahead and look at the army for this. For super archer attack, you want to use your king, queen, warden, 2 archers, 6 super archers, 1 goblin, 2 super wall breakers, 1 wizard, 2 electro dragons, 6 yetis, 1 ice golem, 1 minion, 4 freeze, 6 bats, 1 poison, 1 rage, the log launcher, 2 barbarians, 1 yeti, and 1 root rider for CC. Alright, now let's go ahead and look at an example. So when it comes to this strategy, the biggest thing you want to look out for with any strategy you use bats is making sure you get all the splash defenses down. So on top of that, you want to also worry about the Town Hall and the Eagle. So you must make sure to get the Town Hall and Eagle in any splash. So now we're doing Wizard Towers, Multi-Target Infernos, Eagle, and Town Hall. And now, as you can see, they're all over the place. So strategy of the bats definitely start to weaken a little bit moving forward beginning here because of the Town Hall now fighting back. However, if you have a base where you can get all of these pretty easily, then you can definitely use this in. So the first thing you do is you want to use the 2 electro dragons to funnel. Then you want to place the yetis after the funnel is made with the super archers behind. Place the log launcher a little bit of a sidestep because you want the logs to make sure they have value. If they don't have super good value, then it's going to be tougher to use this. The next thing you want to do after that is place your king, queen, and warden in such a way that they are going to go to the middle. If you place them too much at either side, they might go around the outside, which would make this attack struggle. Your power is mostly going to come from the heroes, so they must go inside. In this attack, I recommend using your warden ability fairly early along with the rage, just to make sure that you have most of your troops alive for it, because super archers are fairly low HP, so they can easily get taken out by just being targeted for a small amount of time. And if they're not up when your warden ability goes off, then you've essentially wasted your warden ability. Alright, and so this here is the usual amount of value you'll get from a super archer attack. It's not super great at making it through the entire base, just about 3/4 of the way through. So as you can see here, the Town Hall is still up, and we're running out of options. We can't use the bats on it because when the Town Hall is defeated, it'll blow up. So what I did here is I missed the first freeze, but I used the freezes to freeze the Town Hall so the queen could take it out before the bats are placed. And then had the ice golem tank that wizard tower for the bats and then place the bats. So again, as you can see, this is a little bit of a lucky attack just because of where all the buildings were placed. However, if you have all the buildings right where you need them, then you can definitely do this to great effect. However, there are going to be better options moving forward. Alright, that'll be all for this one.